Presentation: Maintenance Control System CELAG. CELAG system. We present the CELAG system as a system that will help you to efficiently manage the control and maintenance of your vans, vehicles, equipment, and machineries. Avoiding surprise and costly stoppages, warranting greater efficiency and quality in the status on your vans, establishing advantages and benefits with respect to your competitors. About CELAG system. For approximately 3 years, in conjunction with our Rubik Interactive Development Agency, we have dedicated ourselves to development of a tool designed for companies that use all kinds of equipment, vans, vehicles, equipment, and machineries for their management. It's creating a deployable system which well allows you to control preventive maintenance every part and piece of the van, based on information provided by the satellite tracking job. All this means creating the infrastructure of an organization that will help you to magnify your productive resource using this dispensable requirements for the correct functioning of your vans, converted as economic savings with great management results. Introduction. The CELAG system has been designed to provide a given company with the control and management of all types of vans, such as vehicles, equipment, machineries, internal combustion engines, electric motor or mechanisms that move and affect maintenance plan, belonging to fleet of vehicles, industrial machinery park, agricultural, in gasoline, diesel, or electric power depending on the mileage or hours of work provided by satellite tracking. CELAG system. Presentation of the characteristics of the CELAG maintenance control satellite system. Welcome to CELAG. Start screen of the CELAG maintenance system. Within this screen, we can find a general summary of the CELAG system. We can even check our existing notifications. Shown in the menu of the left margin, there are the different utilities that you are used as support for the operation of the system. On the right side, you can click on View Details to go to record screen. Main characteristics. With the CELAG system, you can manage among the main features listed here. 1. Satellite location. 2. Van blocking. 3. Filming history that includes that to the previous month. 4. Control of the useful life of the vans by means of maintenance plan. 5. Notification and alarms of the next vans maintenance. 6. Registration of natural and legal persons. 7. Tire control. 8. Control of the use of fuel of the vans. 9. Execution on the maintenance plan. 10. Implementation of a space and surplus warehouse. 11. Record of work done before the CELAG system. 12. Record of work done with the CELAG system. 13. Registration of vans and trains to come. 14. Generation of work order for workshop. 15. Work to be done, 3-month summary. 15.1. Maintenance consultations detailed to be performed. 16. Realized maintenance queries, summary. 16.1. Realized maintenance consultations detailed. 17. Performance of the vans. 18. Valuation of the vans. All the screens have the facility to send their data to Excel and be printed with the respective logos of the given company. The aid goes to detail and expand each of the characteristics given. 1. Satellite location control of kilometers and hours. Controls the location, mileage, and hours number of operation and work of your vanes in an easy and safe way, as it is appreciated in the map. That is, it covers our entire American continent. 2. Vane blocking. Blocking an intervention of the vane in case of emergency due to death, decay, or any other reason. As shown in the celestial circle, the right arrow points to the lock that is connected, that is, unlocked. If necessary, it is clicked and opened, that is, blocked until necessary. 3. History of war on road, on map and in text. Write work history that includes up to the month before the day of consultation. You can see on the map what it looks like and as a text at the bottom. Streets apart or finding that the coordinates provided by the GPS. In addition, CELAG is knowledge of the information given by the history client maintenance. 4. Control of them through maintenance plan. Comprehensive and thorough control through the maintenance plan. In every moment of the useful life of the vanes, prepared in a particular way for all kinds of brands and models, considering their work status. 5. Notifications and alerts of the next maintenance. With the colors of the traffic light, green, yellow, red, addressed to the emails of your company in which it is indicated the potential date of entry of the vane to workshop for maintenance. 6. Registration of natural and/or legal persons. People related to the organization suppliers, external workshops employees, work staff, drivers, operators, mechanics. 7. Tire control. Availability for control of the use and consumption of vanes tires by means of the depth gauge or digital sensors that minimize the bad use or weight. 8. Control use of fuel. Availability for control of the use of fuel of the vanes by tracking the consumption according to its power and displacement. 9. Execution of the maintenance plan. Developed particularly for each vane in their working conditions. It contemplates all the useful life of the vane. It concludes in 2 parameters, cost and time for each maintenance. 10. Inventory and warehouse of spare and supplies. For efficient management of parent supplies in the maintenance to be carried out in each vane, virtual warehouse of the spares and supplies are implemented. 11. Record of work done before the CELAG system. Record of maintenance work performed before being registered in the CELAG system, which will be unloaded by a Excel format to the system record of previous maintenance history, document that will be used as a reference in the maintenance control of the vane. 12. Record of work done before the CELAG system. Each maintenance work performed is registered in the maintenance history, document that will be then available told in the maintenance control of the vane. 13. Registration of vanes to CAN. When the vanes arrive at CAN, it must be thoroughly reviewed through checklist with the news that the vane driver or operator reports, a document that must be presented to the maintenance chief. 14. Generating or work orders for workshop. After the meticulous review of the required works and if the use of spare art is considered then the chief of maintenance will make the decision to open the work order. 15. Work to be done up to 3 months in the future. Maintenance consultation by organization in the future up to 3 months in a summary way, which will allow to know in advance the work to be done, costs and work times. 51. Maintenance consultation detailed to be performed. Detailed maintenance consultation with the detail of the works to be performed that must be finalized in the near future. 16. Maintenance consultations completed work summary. Maintenance inquiries in a summary manner of the work carried out in each work area. 61. Detailed maintenance queries with explanation. Extending maintenance consultation with details of costs and work done. 70. About performance of the bands. This tool is elaborated to know the technical and economic behavior of each band. The percentage between the benefits versus the expenses is established. The benefits are given by the value that it will cost to rent a band to cover their absence. That is to say, it is the value that is gained by having it against the expenses incurred so that it works. 18. About valuation of the bands. It is very important to know the value of the band in order to make a decision in 2 points. 1. Sell it and buy a new one. And 2. Continue with the task of repairing it. The band should be given minor maintenance 3/4 of its useful life, while in the last quarter life maintenance should be done seniors with higher expense also, as engine repair, gearbox, differential guard, among others. This is to say that expense that will be older and before the 3/4, a decision should be made as to whether it is better to continue with major repairs or is it time to sell the vehicle and acquire a new one. Reports in 95% of the screen in Excel format. All screens have the facility to send their data to Excel and be printed with the respective logos of the organization given. Thankful for your attention, Mechanical Engineer Luis Tinoco Romero.